In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your React app on Hostgator in just a few minutes. If you're new to deploying web applications, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step clearly so you can get your app online without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to hostgator.com. Once the Hostgator homepage loads, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main Hostgator dashboard. This is where you manage all your websites and hosting tools. From here, find and click on the Websites section. This is the area where you can view, manage, or add new sites under your hosting account. Once inside the Websites section, locate Settings. From there, look for the Advanced option. This will open up more technical settings that allow you to access deeper parts of your hosting environment. In the Advanced menu, select cPanel. The cPanel is a control panel that helps you manage everything on your hosting account, from files to domains to databases. Once inside cPanel, scroll until you see File Manager and click on it. File Manager is where you'll be uploading your React app files. It's a simple interface that works like a file explorer. Inside File Manager, open the public_HTML folder. This is your main website directory. Everything you upload here will be visible online. Now, you'll need to upload your React apps build files. On your computer, find your project folder and locate the build folder that contains your app's compiled files. Go back to the File Manager and click the Upload button at the top. Select the files from your build folder and wait for them to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, check that all your files, including the index.html file, are placed correctly inside the public_HTML directory. This is important because it ensures your website loads properly when someone visits your domain. After verifying the files, open your website's domain in your browser to confirm everything is working correctly. Your React app should now be live and fully functional. And that's it. You've successfully hosted your React app on Hostgator. With just a few clicks, your project is now online and accessible to anyone around the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy web hosting guides. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.